Bay leaf body cleansing drink with bay leaf. Creating a body cleansing drink with bay leaf can be a refreshing and healthy option. Bay leaf has been used for various medicinal purposes due to its potential health benefits, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Here's a simple recipe for a body cleansing drink with bay leaf. Ingredients: 2-3 fresh or dried bay leaves, 1 liter, about 4 cups, of water. Juice of half a lemon, optional, for added flavor and detoxification. Instructions. In a pot, bring the water to a boil. Add the bay leaves to the boiling water and let it simmer for about 5–10 minutes. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let the mixture cool down to room temperature. If you want to add some flavor and additional detoxification benefits, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the cooled bay leaf infusion. Strain the mixture to remove the bay leaves, and your cleansing drink is ready. How to use. You can consume this body cleansing drink throughout the day, preferably in between meals. Aim to drink it for a few days to a week to experience potential benefits. Remember that while this drink can be a part of a healthy lifestyle, it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. If you have any specific health conditions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.